An altercation at a high school football game is making its way to court through an uncommon route. It's our top story. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jamie Baker.
And I'm Dylan Cleland. News 9's Jesse Kane has more on this situation.
An altercation between Union local high school assistant football coach Vaughn Butler and a spectator, Brent Gay, occurred last fall at Barnesville during a high school football game. This week, an affidavit was filed, not only criminally charging Butler, but also two local law enforcement officers. It was filed this week in the Belmont County Western Division Court. The incident occurred on October 25th when Butler allegedly attacked Gay. The charges for Butler include assault and disorderly conduct. The affidavit also lists Lieutenant Matthew Tippie of the Barnesville Police Department and Deputy Tyler Grant with the Sheriff's Office for dereliction of duty and obstructing official business. We talked with Gay's attorney about the incident.
Mr. Gay is an avid supporter of the team and the students, and he just made a little wisecrack to the coach about, whether he had watched any film before the game when they lost the game. That's it. Just a little quip. And Butler then, according to his affidavit and according to the affidavits of the witnesses, then attacked him. That's just not a justification for physically attacking someone.
The files also contain affidavits from two eyewitnesses. Chandra believes this is enough evidence for probable cause, which will be reviewed by a judge. However, the route the case is taking is uncommon. It is filed to the County Western Division Court rather than the prosecutor's office. Chandra explains why.
Because the prosecutor has shown himself to be indifferent. And Ohio's legislature empowered private citizens with this option of going to a court. So the objective here is public accountability.
Chandra also says he believes the prosecutor's office should recuse itself and a special prosecutor should be appointed by the court, depending how the review goes. Belmont County Prosecutor Joe Vavra says they didn't believe action was needed to be taken.
Everything as a part of that investigation, to my knowledge, was provided to the office to review. We reviewed it and ultimately made the determination not to charge Mr. Butler or to charge Mr. Gay. Essentially, the determination came to we felt they were both at fault. They would both have to be charged if we were going to charge, which means they would both be considered defendants and victims. And in those situations and based on the circumstances, we elected that we would just not charge either one of them. We instructed them of that. We provided them with a kind of a written notice of that and asked them to essentially, reevaluate their conduct, what happened, and also to not have any contact with each other.
A court date has not yet been set, but we'll continue to keep you updated with the latest right here on News 9. In the Belmont County Content Center, I'm Jesse Kane, News 9.
Hi, I'm Dylan Cleland. Thanks for watching. And here's another video to check out, and be sure to subscribe to our channel.